Jacob here with Sarracenia Northwest, and this is your Carnivorous Plant Care Guide for November 2024. Towards the end of October, we had our first frost of the season, which means that the growing season for the outdoor perennials is officially over, at least here in Oregon. But many late season Sarracenia, like various forms of Sarracenia leucophylla, have beautiful pictures. They're brightly colored and they're holding up very well. Other late season Sarracenia also look great in fall, and many times their colors intensify with each overnight frost. They just won't have any new growth until spring. Plants like Flava, Oreophila, and their hybrids are early season plants. They have their best growth in spring and early summer. In fall, they drop their summer leaves and produce non-carnivorous leaves called Phyllodia. Flytraps are also shutting down for the season. In fall, they drop their upright leaves and keep a few traps closer to the soil. Hardy sundews have already gone dormant, forming a resting bud just above the soil line. They'll remain that way until spring. Caring for your plants throughout November depends on your location. If you're in USDA Zone 7, 8, and 9, you don't have much to worry about throughout November. A lot of the outdoor perennials can easily handle an overnight frost down to 20 degrees Fahrenheit with very little protection. Just make sure your plants are always hydrated. If the soil ever dries out, you may risk losing your plants. Now, if you are in USDA Zone 6 and colder, you will need to prep your plants for winter dormancy, especially if you've already experienced significant frost in your region. The concept of winter care is a bit involved, and we cover this in our digital download, The Ultimate Carnivorous Plant Guide for Beginners. You can also watch the winter care video in our Grow Carnivorous Plants video series, Volume 1. Visit growcarnivorousplants.com for details. In the tropical greenhouses, we cranked up the propane heaters. We set the thermostat to a minimum temperature of 70 degrees during the day and 50 degrees at night. We also set our LED lights to a 14-hour cycle to supplement natural sunlight. With milder temperatures in November, our tropical sundews and butterworts look very dewy with very nice colors. They really perked up once we transitioned from summer to fall. Our Nepenthes are still producing very nice pictures thanks to the supplemental lighting. Throughout November, grow your tropical plants in the sunniest windowsill possible. With the sun lower in the sky, you'll find better growth in a south window that gets several hours of direct sunlight. Otherwise, use LED lights to supplement natural sunlight. For more information about LED lights, watch our video about them. You can find the link in the description below or at the end of this video. With all of your tropical plants, make sure the soil is always moist. Never allow it to dry out. With sundews, you can set them in small amounts of water. With butterworts and Nepenthes, water from the top and let the water drain through completely. Water again when the top of the soil starts to lose moisture. Before I sign off, I want to let you know that we ship plants throughout the year, and winter shipping is already in effect for all tropical plants. When you place an order for a tropical plant, we will check your local weather. If it's frosty there, we will weatherize your package for safe travels at no additional charge. You don't even have to request it. The service is provided automatically. So check out the carnivorous plants we have in stock and order with confidence. Our inventory changes monthly and seasonally. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you in another video.